Hello, good evening. Hold on, let me share the link first. Okay, so meanwhile, please help us to click a like and also share this video lah. Okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, so hold on a while because I just got the link, so I need to share to the Telegram. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see. Hello, ND, JCY, SNS, Gamuda. Hello, Soking. Okay, UEMS, VTC, Wong. Okay. Wasco, okay, SM Kobe, thank you very much. SCG Berhard, still can chase all-time high. Hold on. Okay. Chase. I better don't lah. Okay, later we review. Okay, review Inta, Eka, JCY, sold. Okay, looking for re-entry. Okay, no problem. From Limbunwa. Okay, and Google Monster, SNR, Systec, and DNext. Okay, Systec today ada some setup. Okay, hello Jordan, happy 2025. Okay, review HSI as usual, and also 9988 lah. Hello. Anthony, happy new year. Okay, indicates S1, S2, R1, R2. Oh, today's SKB shutter, they do have a good move. Okay, my EG, no problem. Live water. Okay, let me see whether got discounters or not. Okay, YTL. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's go. Okay, please help me to click like and also share this live session because today is a first live session in 2025 after we stopped for about 2 to 3 session, right? 2 session, I think. So for this month, okay, as you can see, 6, 8, 13, 15, 20, 22nd, and also until 27. Okay, and 29 is a Chinese New Year, so no live session after, on the 29th. Okay, by the time we will remind you again. So, yep. And today content, okay, as usual, we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review. Okay, whether you are looking for support, resistance. Okay. And disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, so need your help to click a like lah, okay, and also share lah, okay, because I think today Facebook not many people, maybe a lot still don't know today we have a live session Okay, a quick warm up for the US market. Okay, so far for me last week closing, okay, for last week first week of the market for me is meaningless, okay, because 1st of January is on Wednesday, right? So it's like only have 2 days how to say only have 2 days trading days. So for me it's totally no meaning lah. Okay, even 31st as we all know is a window dressing. So 2nd and 3rd, I think most likely they just balik from holiday or some of them yet to balik from holiday. So the closing not so legit. Okay, in my opinion, it's a mid-January or end of January onwards. We only can see a more solid volumes lah. Okay, this is what I think. So for US market, okay, for me last week closing consider neutral. So I assume they might continue sideways at the in my opinion. Okay, S&P as well, more on sideways. Last week closing for me is neutral, no meaning lah. So most likely will remain sideways unless they can break above 6,000. They do have potential go up further. Okay, and Nasdaq closing for me is also neutral lah. Okay, so most likely, okay, so long they are above 21k, I think it's still alright. Okay, this is Nasdaq. S&P above 5,008 is still alright. Okay, out of these 3 markets, I think Dow Jones is slightly weaker. Okay, that's all lah. Okay, but for me, market, I think give them 1 or 2 weeks to go sideways or only have a clearer direction. And how about the oil price? Okay, oil price, as we can see last week, they close above, or we can say they break above $72. Okay, seems like, okay, this is a long consolidation and the breakout. Okay, seems like oil, they do have potential to pull up further. Okay, probably to 76, 78 or $80. This is WTI. So seeing short term, oil, they may have some upside lah. Okay, tentatively we see it as a rebound first. Okay, not a reversal yet. Okay, this is oil. How about the gold price? Okay, gold is still in a sideways lah. So 2600, 2550. Okay, take note these two support. As long as stay above, we still can remain bullish on the gold price lah. Okay, so and how about the cryptocurrency? Okay, so far crypto market we can see by during the November lah, they do have a good rally up, and then mid December is more on the profit taking activities, now more into sideways. So as long as they are above 88k for the Bitcoin, I think they are still remain very bullish. Okay, tentatively their strong support is or immediate support is 92k. Okay, seems like crypto still got some move lah. Okay, still got some chances. Okay, for Ethereum, they do have a strong resistance at 3980 and 4000. Okay, 4070 also can lah. So seems like they've been tested 3 times already. Okay, and yeah, last week closing considered not too bad as they recover back above 3004, 3006. Okay, seems like they may still retest the resistance 3980, 4070. Okay, so this is a crypto market. And how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, as we know, after the window dressing, okay, after the 31st of December, okay, they do able to close above 1640. Okay, they close above 1640, and after New Year, okay, market start to take profit lah, or they land back already. Okay, as we can see, 31st of December, this is just a window dressing lah. Okay, market just to make a FY24 market to close nicer. Okay, and these 3 days, these three trading days is more on like maybe profit taking. Okay, no point for them to push the market already. So I think they might just sideways around. As long as they are above 1608, I am still slightly bullish with our FBM KLCI. Okay, this is just most likely, okay, for the sake of window dressing. Okay, now is more on retracing and retest the support. Okay, above 1608, I think it's still alright. Okay, this is a FBM KLCI. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, hello, Happy New Year, Ismail. Okay, Gamuda, Capnet. Okay, Seafood Analyst, YNH. Okay, later we Dagang Nest. Okay, the next lah. Okay. Yeah, you let me know the stock's name, okay, instead of a full name. Sometimes I don't know which stock. So, okay, like Dagang Next change, you just write the next will do. Okay, so, yeah, hello, good evening, Patrick. Okay, review Kobe. Today, banyak orang notice Kobe. Okay, let's go for our first one, JCY. Hey, actually, our market is still not too bad, lah, in my opinion. Okay, in my opinion, still not too bad. Okay, so what we can see on JCY, okay, as you can see, this is a gap down, okay, was a resistance, okay. So this is back in September 2024 lah, which is somewhere around 525, 540. Okay, and recently, okay, back in 26th of December, okay, JCY break out above 525, 540. So as we know, based on the technical resistance and support. Okay, this also resistance. You can see they tested multiple times. So they break out with volumes. So yeah, ideally, okay, ideally the ideal support would be somewhere around 540 lah. Okay, for instance, okay, for the immediate support, I would say is a 555. Okay, but so far they are still alright. Okay, so long they stay above this support 525, they are still okay lah. Okay, they are still okay. So yeah, based on the bigger time frame, I would say JCY is still doing great lah. Okay, if we base on the bigger pictures, what we can see, okay, this is a very bullish, and this is a wash lah. Okay, they wash everyone out, and you can see when they wash out, the volume is diminishing. And recently, when the price go up, the volume come back again lah. Okay, so yeah, just macam ini lah. Okay, when they go up, they are the volume. So this is a very strong uptrend. So at the moment, we can see JCY, they do have volumes pump up, okay, with the trend. Okay, so overall structure, I think is still more favor to the bull lah. Okay, this is more on mid-term to long-term view. But for short-term, as we can see, they are more on sideways lah. Okay, since 27th of December, they have been going sideways. Okay, just sideways. So just like what happened back in here. Okay, they also sideways for quite many weeks. They baru pump out. So now what we can expect, they might sideways for sometimes. Okay, but overall they are still okay. Okay, so as long as you're not in contra or day trader, okay, day trading, they are still alright lah. Okay, swing trade they are still good. So I will put in the watch list lah. We still can watchable lah. Huh? So long above 525, I'm still bullish on them. Okay, how about the SNS? Okay, SNS still fine. Okay, if already in, congratulations. As we can see back in 26, okay, also 26, they also have a big pump, follow with a 3 days retracement. Okay, when they retrace, low volume. So overall, it's still healthy. So here is a first pump. Okay, back in, should be 2nd of January. Okay, they already pump with volumes. So 3rd of January and 6th of January, which is today, is still alright. Okay, volume-wise, still acceptable. So they are challenging here, okay, which was a gap down back in September, okay, last year. Okay, so seems like they are testing this resistance, okay, and likely they have the strength to break out lah. Okay, so maybe I will put a safety line for them lah. Maybe it's a 675. So long they are above 675, I would say they are still pretty bullish. So how about the next resistance? Okay, their next resistance maybe I will put at around 745, and here also got a gap. Okay, small gap here. 780, 770. Okay, so maybe I put 780. So watch out on 745, 780 as your R1, R2. But overall, they are still in bullish note lah. As long as the price, closing price above 675, yeah, I would say still watchable. Tapi if just plan to go in, yeah, of course, yeah, you are too late already lah. Okay, how about the Gamuda? Gamuda is still fine lah. Okay, unfortunately, they not really, okay, they didn't come back to the 50 MA levels. Okay, they recovered on 24th of December and then go back to 20 MA already. So far, so good. They are still very bullish. Okay, and turn on the resistance only lah, 490 only lah. Okay, that's all. Long term, short term, mid term, they are still in a good shape. Okay, that's all for the Gamuda. Okay, how about UEMS? UEMS, your average 105, so you are in a profit. So what we can see, UEMS here was a resistance, right? And also here, yeah, 105 was a 200 MA resistance, and you can see they tested so many times, not able to clear. Okay, finally finally Friday, right? Friday breakout, or no, not breakout. Friday continue rally up with volumes, and today more on the small profit taking activities. So in my opinion, it's still alright. But yeah, take note on here, which is a last year punya resistance. You can see on last year, April, May, June, July, they tested so many times, at least 4 times already, unable to go through, which is somewhere around 120 to 123 area. So take note, this is your immediate resistance zone, okay, for the UEMS. How about the VCT? Okay, new counters back in 28 August. 530, okay, small losses. Okay, but it's still alright. Okay, the only little concern is a shooting star on Friday. Okay, seems like this is a shooting star, and seems like today is a confirmation of selling down. Okay, so yeah, since already EP, maybe take note 510 as your immediate support. Stay above, I think they still got chance to make a fight back. Okay, still got chance to make a comeback. Tapi if they close below 510, they may come back to 50 cents or maybe 485 level. Okay, just like what happened here. Also with a mini shooting star, then market retrace down further. Then they sideways, jalan up. Okay, jalan up. Now got a shooting star again. So what I guess most likely they might come back down. Sideways. Okay, if 485 supported, they still got chance to go up. Okay, and if they can stay above 510, I would say the momentum would be very strong. Okay, tapi if they go below 510, maybe you need to wait lah. Okay, maybe they will sideways here for a couple weeks. Okay, maybe. Okay, how about the Wong Fei Hong? Okay, today at the volumes lah. 350 is your EP, so you are in a small losses. What you need to do is trying to reduce your losses lah. Okay, what we can see on Wong since when? About 3 years ago okay, since 2022 Okay. Oh, actually, the trend started to turn weak since 2021 already started to turn weak. Okay, as you can see, the high is getting lower. Okay, this is September 2021 Okay, you can see the high is getting lower until they break below 200 MAs in 2022. And you can see all this while these counters not able to go through 200 days moving averages. So means this counter is a downtrending counters, and 200 MAs would be your ideal exit level. You can see back in last year, not last year, 2023 February, 200 MAs, sell down. Okay, 2023 July, hit, sell down. Okay, and last year June, okay, breakout, go until 40 cents, sell down. Okay, today is the first day of breaking out above 200 MAs. So I think just a pump and dump story most likely. So since your EP is 350, maybe you can consider to, okay, if able to hit 350 and above, I guess it's better plan to do some break even or reduce your losses. Okay, what if they just pump and dump down? Okay, what if they just pump and dump down? Okay, at least you can escape first and we see how it's going. Okay, if they can continue goes up, I think maximum is a 40 cents level lah. Okay, but what I think is, since your position is not so nice, I mean your entry is not so nice, maybe you can consider to break even, or when the price go above your EP or near your EP, you can consider to reduce your sizing. Okay, so how about the West Coast? Okay, these counters downtrend since last year August when they break below the 200 MAs. So we can trade this as a rebound trade dulu. Okay, rebound trade dulu. So for the resistance, maybe we take note on 122. Okay, was a support, breakdown, turn resistant. Okay, now it's a 200 MAs. So it's somewhere around 120 and 122 is your resistance. Okay, to take note. So based on recent volume, as we can see, 31st, 2nd of January, 3rd of January, including today, they also ada volumes lah. Okay, volume wise, not too bad. Okay, I would say not too bad. So based on technical point of view, we will trade this as a technical rebound dulu. Okay, so take note on this level first. 120, 122 as your 200 MAs resistant. Okay, as your first R to consider. Okay, if they can break out again, we review again. Okay, next level would be maybe 133 lah. 130, 133 would be your next resistance. Okay, how about the KESM? Okay, downtrending counters. Okay, downtrending counters. Recently at the volumes. Okay, so we can see back in December, okay, 4th of December onwards, they do have some, how to say, they do trying to bottoming around here. Okay, especially you can see the volume improve over here. Okay, means the price cannot break below 334 lah. If break below means they want to continue dive down already. Okay, whoever bought here all lose money already. Okay, so yeah, here also got some volume, so maybe we take note on here 390. Okay, so we expect they are sideways or do accumulation around here until breakup. Okay, once they can break above 390, we may expect more upside lah, maybe to 450 and maximum to somewhere around 5xx. Okay, let me see 200. Where is the 200 MAs? Yeah, I think should be 535 lah. Okay. Okay lah, agak-agak here lah. Okay, so if they are able to break above 390, I guess they do have chance to bounce up further. Okay, first level, of course, we see a 100 MA first 448, 535. Okay, just a rebound lah, just a rebound, because this counter is considered downtrending counters. But if they go below 334, then sorry lah, tak cantik already. Okay, Kobe today banyak orang like Let me see. Kobe ada volumes. Okay, what we can see, first volume came on 29th of November. Okay, then sideways, 3rd of December, volume again. 4th of December, volume again. Then market go sideways. Okay, so we can see they pump up, they go sideways. Okay, then 20 MA is supported, and today volume pump up. Okay, tapi these counters take note this counter is still below 200 MAs. So if we put the 200 MA zones, okay, yeah, first thing first lah, psychology level 170. Okay, need to respect here, and then 177. Okay, is a 200 MAs levels. Okay, this would be the resistance zone for Kobe, which I think they do have chance to hit, okay, or touch them, but whether they can break or not, we need to review again. Okay, but based on all momentum and the volume point of view, I guess, yeah, they do have a momentum to touch lah. At least can touch. Okay, I guess they do have chance to touch 170 and 177. Okay, in between here. But whether they can break or not, we need to review again. Okay, so this one, I would say they still have a valid setup. And yeah, if they go below 155, then not so strong though. And below 148, no game. Okay, SCG. Hey, why people are like to why people are like to chase expensive counters Oh, they don't want to buy when the price is cheap or maybe in the consolidation zone, but they want to chase when the price at this level. So yeah, based on the Fibonacci projection, actually they already hit one of my target, which is at 119. Okay, they hit one of my target, 119, and the next target based on the Fibo is 146 lah. So current price is around 137 already. Okay, so if you jump in here, your upside maybe is here, but your downside, okay, is more, right? So usually you can see when they retrace, they might come back, okay, go back to 20 MA lah. So if you jump in now, your downside is around here, maybe to 120. So I think not worth for us to chase, but you still can monitor when they have a correction or retracement. Okay, so here they already give you a chance lah, or here also give you a chance already, or here also give you a chance already, right? So we don't chase when they go up lah. So we wait for them pull back. Okay, so next is the INTA. Oh, breakout INTA EP455. So in a good profit lah. Okay, for Brusa, consider a very good profit already. So no all-time high. So they are creating a new all-time high. So what I need to do is I need to use a Fibonacci to do a projection lah. So probably here to here, agak-agak 60 cents level. Yeah, next level should be lah, somewhere around 60 cents. Let me see align or not. Yeah, boleh lah. Okay, around 60 cents. Okay, so based on here, what we can do is we do a breakout trade only lah. Okay, so for this case, what we can see, they just break out here. Okay, this is a resistance in, okay, 2024 punya resistance. They tested so many times, still unable to go through. Okay, today finally break up lah. Okay, closing price 530, and so take note on your on your support 510 and 50 cents. Okay, this is a level for you to do a maybe trading stop. Okay, meanings if they go sideways, do apa, still alright. Tapi if they close below 50 cents, maybe you can consider to, okay, cabut some dulu. Okay, something is wrong already. Maybe they might dive down maybe to 480 or even back to your entry price. Okay, this is the way to protect your profit lah. Okay, so take note, 50 cents and 510 would be your immediate support. Okay, if they fall below, you need to monitor. Okay, if they stay above, I think nothing much lah. Still okay lah, still cantik. Okay, next one, ECA. Okay, ECA is still fine. Okay, but this counter is a downtrending counters lah. Okay, new counters back in 2022 ECA, okay. Okay, one thing good about them is back in 3rd of December, they have volume pump in. 6th of December as well. 13 and also 27th of December. Okay, so far you can see recently, okay, in the December, they do have volumes pumping. Okay, your EP is 260, I think it's still alright lah. And yeah, so long they are above 240, I would say the structure is still alright. Okay, here pump up, here sideways lah. Okay, stay above 240 is still okay. Tapi also take note lah, the 200 MAs, okay, which is somewhere around 320 to 335. Okay, this is your resistance zone. Okay, whether they can go through or not, we see lah. Okay, tapi based on the momentum and the structure, I guess, yeah, they do other chance lah. Okay, the only thing is this is a downtrending counters. Okay, EK 260. Okay, for JCY, if you're looking for immediate support, yeah, ideally is a since your EP 565. Okay, ideally, if the market is very strong, I think they will stay above 555. Okay, if the market have a bigger bear sentiment, I guess they might come back down to test a 540 and yeah, 540 lah. Maybe can test a 540. So two level to consider lah, 555 and 540 would be your S1, S2. Okay, subject to the market sentiment. If the market sentiment is weaker, then they might press all the way down to 540 or even 525. Okay, so long the closing price above 525, I will still remain bullish on them. Okay, SNRC stack. Oops. Okay, C-stack, what we can see back in 4th of December, they do have volumes. Then they sideways, another volume pump in. Then they pull up a bit, retrace. So far, 290 supported. Today, ada volume pump up. Okay, so these counters, SNR, okay. Most importantly, cannot break below 290 lah. Above 290, the setup is still okay. Then if happen, they can go up. I refer to here low. 355, 370 would be your immediate resistance, okay? Because this was also support. They also have a gap down here lah, turn into resistance. So maximum, I think if they can bounce up further, maximum I think is somewhere around 370. But yeah, we also need to respect a 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 355. Okay, and also this is a downtrending counters, right? Okay, how about the next? Okay, the next is still fine. It's still fine. Okay, so the first signal came on 11th of December. Okay, they do have a breakout, 200 MAs. Tapi they wash all the way down. Okay, they break down below the 200 MAs lah. Okay, the only good things is they stay above 370. So here become the low is getting higher also. So let me see, back in 30th of December lah, they recover back above 200 MAs. Okay, 27 also recover already. 27 recover and 30 recover with volumes. Sideways last Friday, okay, pump out with volumes. Today more on the small profit taking activities. So in my opinion, this one is still alright, watchable lah. Okay, watchable. So support, immediate support 410 lah, 410. Okay, 410. And yeah, the resistance ultimate is somewhere around 480 and 50 cents level. So based on the volume, I guess okay lah. If happen they have some retracement down, I think can see. And yeah, if they close below 385, sorry lah, tak cantik already. Okay, kena cheated already. Okay, so the next, hello, okay, HSI, okay, let's go for Hang Seng Index. Hey, still not bad for this week. Okay, weekly point of view, as we can see, this is a weekly chart. Hang Seng Week Index, actually back in, I think, October, right? September, October, they do have a good pump, right? Ever since then, they do wash down. And if you base on the weekly chart, actually the market not really moved that much. Okay, more on sideways movement. But I would say they do have potential lah. Okay, they do have potential. And back to the daily chart you can see this is September pump. They wash down. Okay, they do a multiple pump and dump lah. Okay, they do a multiple pump and dump, but they are still in the sideways. So I guess they still have, okay, still got the chance for them to do a accumulation. So I guess most likely they are doing reaccumulation. Okay, as long as they don't break below 18.8k lah. Okay, stay above I am still slightly bullish on them. Okay, and they need to break above 21300. Okay, once they can clear, we may see some bigger movement lah, if they are able to clear, because they already tested twice, unable to clear. So I guess okay, this 1-2 months might be good for HSI lah. Maybe until Chinese New Year lah. Okay, just a guess only lah. Okay, how about the 9988 Alibaba? Yeah, Alibaba the same. Yeah, so far, okay, good news is they are still above 200 mAh. So so long above $79, I will say they are still alright. Okay, next one is a SKB shutter. Okay, today have a good volumes. Actually, last Friday also have a good volumes already lah. Okay, actually the first signal came on 20th of December. Okay, they have volumes. Okay, they supported 830, supported 840, then they pull all the way up. Okay, they already break 960, break above 1 ringgit. Okay, so resistance turn support 960, 1 ringgit would be your S1, S2. Okay, if happen, they can go up further. Take note 105 as your immediate resistance, and 116 would be the July resistance. Okay, so yep, that's all for SKB, and take note on my EG. Okay, let's see my EG. Okay, my EG after sideways for so many months, you can see since August until now lah. Okay, last year August, sideways. Okay, finally they are showing some strength already. Okay, go above 200. Go above the resistance. Okay, so seems like the resistance turning into the support. Okay, so 940, 960 is the support already. Okay, so seems like they sideways for so long already. Finally, they seems like they finally mau jalan already lah. So this one resistance and support right? So 940, 960 would be your immediate support zone. Okay, 1 ringgit is a psychology level lah, so would be your immediate resistance. Then 105, 110. Okay, so this one my EG, I guess moving forward lah. I think watchable. Okay, watchable. Life water. Okay, let me see got discounters or not. Okay, I couldn't find discounters. Can you give me a stock's name lah? Okay, the stock name, so I can find it easier. Okay, otherwise let me see Life water Brusa LW. Okay, Sabah. Okay, let me see new counters. Okay, they face some resistance here, 101. So pump on, okay, only few months only, November 13. Okay, so far based on the trend, they are still alright lah. 24th got volume, 26 some profit takings, tapi not really sell down that much. 2nd of January they have volume pump in. Today more on some profit taking activities. So because they already hit 101 lah. So take note on 955, because this was a resistance, now turn support. Stay above, I would say they are still okay lah. Tapi go below, then not so strong though, 955. This is a live LW Sabah lah. Okay, YTL. Okay, YTL approaching, or they already at the resistance. Okay, as you can see, YTL here, when was that? 20th of December. They have a big shooting star with high volumes. So here also indicate that they have a strong resistance here. Okay, even though after few days, okay, the price still pull up lah, but you can see not really have much volume support the movement. Okay, so I will say YTL, they are at the resistance zone. Okay, at the resistance zone. So whoever like they bought here, or bought here, I think here is a place for them to maybe secure some profit. Okay, say take some partial profit and maybe another partial bet for them to bet for them to break above 280 lah. Okay, for me, yeah, for rebound trade this is my target already hit lah. So whether I want to continue to chase or not, I need to see whether they can clear 280 or not. Okay. Capnet still okay Capnet still alright. Okay, we can see they have a huge volume on 17th of December. Okay, then market goes sideways lah, neutral. At the moment, they are at resistance 470. Okay, but overall, I would say they make a good recovery lah. At least they recover back above 200 MAs already, and currently the price is above all moving averages. So momentum all is also the momentum all is favorable to the bull lah. Okay, so yeah, we also need a safety net lah. Maybe I will put a 40 cents level. 410 40 cents would be the support, cannot break. Okay, if they break down, tak cantik already. Okay, if they stay above, I would say yeah, still okay lah, hopefully but now they are at the resistance. Okay, so this one we can see lah, KIV lah. Okay, go. Okay, they need to break lah. Okay, Gamuda we covered. Okay, hello Miss Sok I think Miss So. Okay, JPG, JPEG JPEG. Oh, JPEG a little bit ugly. Okay, let me see. Today they have a hammer appeared lah. So this one this counters July. Okay, last year July came already. Then they rally up all the way. Okay, what I guess is this is a pump. This could be a distribution. Okay, so maybe whoever, maybe they bought at 80 cents, okay, or 88 cents and below, okay, then they want to sell around 125 to 140, so they go sideways. Okay, this is quite high chance lah. Is a pump to distribute. Okay, this is what I think lah. So yeah, what we can see on 13th of November, they have a strong sell. Okay, after that they do have a bounce up, then more on sideways. Okay, these 3 days macam tak berapa strong. Okay, so today closing is 124 lah. Okay, because they have a hammer and also volumes. Okay, take note 125 if tomorrow they can close above 125, okay, best if 130 lah, then would be okay. Okay, should be safe for them. Tapi if tomorrow they remain below 125, okay, maybe the closing price is 124 120 then tak cantik already likely they might come back down to 110 or 115. Okay, so hopefully today's hammer and volume they can make the price close above lah. Then maybe got chance like here low. If happen they can go up. Yeah, of course you need to consider to protect some profit also lah. Okay, so this is a JPEG, but what I see is not so strong already lah. Okay, Cloud Point. Okay, Cloud Point Friday got some profit taking, high volumes. Tapi today no continuous sell down, so I would say still okay. Okay, since they have a resistance, breakout, turn support. So we still need to respect here 890 as your strong support. Okay, stay above is still alright. Go below then tak cantik lah. Okay, Happy New Year. Okay, Wong got chance. Wong just now covered already, so I would say about time. I mean too late lah if we jump in now. Okay, a bit risky. Okay, Kinergy is still okay, but if you're looking for EP, no, because no chance for EP. Okay, they go all the way up without any retracement. Go up since 19th of December. So this one, yeah, for me, yeah, not recommend to chase lah. But if you're interested, still worth to monitor. Okay, still worth to monitor. Okay, they do have a breakout 770. If happen, they can retrace somewhere around 80 cents. Okay, you can see look lah. Okay, maybe 815 like that lah. Okay, only KIV. I need them to have some correction or some retracement. Okay, analysis. Okay, analysis for the YNH prop. Sorry, wrong counters. YNH prop. Okay, sideways until before 15. Okay, okay, wait, awaiting. Okay, so for these counters, I would say most likely is the pump is over and they need more sideways. Okay, just like what happened back in when June. Okay, last year June. Okay, they do have a pump, then they dump down. Okay, July sideways all the way until when November lah. Okay, I got November time. So they sideways for so many months, they only have a second pump. Now dump down. Okay, if history may repeat, I guess they might sideways about the same length. Okay, about the same period. Okay, so we'll continue sideways lah, most likely. And yeah, you can see back in here also, January also, last year January, they also had a pump, dump, sideways, pump, dump, sideways. Now pump, dump, sideways. So you need to have more patience with them if you have faith with them lah. Okay, I would say, yeah, give them a last chance at 50 cents lah. Below 50 cents memang no good already. Above 50 cents, chances is still there. Okay. Okay, EMCC. Okay, volume ada. Okay, first signal on 25th of November. Pump up, sideways. Okay, second signal 4th and 5th of December. Pump out, sideways. And last Friday and Monday also ada volume pump up. Okay, looks like they still have some momentum lah. Okay, MACD, not too bad. Okay, watch out on your immediate resistance, 390. Okay, because they tested so many times, are able to go through. And also a 200 MAs. Okay, still need to respect here, 410. 390, 410. Okay, once they can clear, you only see 425, 460 lah. And overall, I think, yeah, still in a good shape lah. Okay, the only concern is they are below 200 MAs. But whether watchable, I think watchable lah. Okay. Okay, EP for WCT. Okay, what we can see, okay, back in November, actually they not so nice, not so good looking because they break below 90 cents. Okay, but they managed to recover back on, yeah, I think back in December. Okay, after that they sideways, and you can see they break out already. Okay, Friday they pump again. Today more on profit taking activities. So yeah, if we zoom in further, what we can see, Friday volume very good. Today half of Friday volume, so I would say it's still okay lah. Still got half of them in this market. Okay, so as we can see, they have a breakout 945. So yeah, this would be your support lah, 945. Today closing price 980. So I think as long as the price is above 945, yeah, okay lah. Okay, with your cut loss. Okay, cut loss below 940 lah. Okay, below 940, I think not so cantik already. They might come back down to 90 cents level. Okay, if happen you want to swing wider, you take note 90 cents as your last defense. Also can lah. Okay, depends on your size and your risk tolerance. Okay, for me is if below 945 below 940 totally not so nice already. Okay, for me it's quite ugly already. But if you based on current trend, volume point of view, I guess it's a good try lah. Okay, it's a good try. Okay, try as case studies. Okay, next one, and you need to know your risk below 945. Okay, cut loss maybe is a 940 or 935 like that. Agenta. Oh, this one is still okay. Okay, even though my target was this one quite sometimes already, right? I remember we covered during the price around here lah. Okay, for me, my target already achieved, which is somewhere around 805 or 80 cents level, which is a 200 MAs. Okay, but based on here, what we can see, they pump up, they stay above 200 MAs. Okay, continue goes up. Okay, seems like they are still alright. Okay, seems like they are still alright. So we also need a protection. 80 cents cannot break. Okay, but these 2 days pump out already. So for this case, we need to wait for them to retrace. Best if they can best if they can retest somewhere around 830, 850. Okay, 840 lah. 830, 840 would be your immediate support. Okay, if happen they can retest, I think it's a better level to KFV. Oh, tapi if they go below 80 cents, no game sudah kena tipu already. Okay, so this one, yep, okay lah. Watchable. Okay, how about the G-Can? Josh Ken. Siapa balik So they pump out Okay, so 17th of December, they have a first volume pump in. Okay, maybe insider know something already. This one, November, they already started to plan. You can see. Actually, when here, they already have some volume to, pump already lah. So the first confirmation is on 17th of December. Okay, second day is a profit taking day. Okay, not so nice lah. Then sideways, 24th of December. Okay, another high volume pump up. Then continue sideways today, another high volume pump up. So overall, actually they are still okay. Okay, tapi discounters, as you know, this move by news lah, in my opinion. Okay, move by news. And also, if we based on the support resistance point of view, okay, this was a support. Okay, breakdown turn into resistance. So 435 would be your strong R. And current price is a 410. So your upside a little bit limited lah. Okay, a bit risky for me lah. A bit risky to chase. Despite they might have some good news. Okay, but if you're still interested, maybe you can take note 390 as your immediate support lah. Okay, because they already approaching the 200 MAs which is somewhere around 425 to 435. Okay, so I afraid just a move by news. Maybe they just want to play around with the news sentiment. Then after that, back in square. Okay, also possible punya. So so long above 380, game is still on. Below 380, no good already. So you need to know where to get out lah. Okay, MRCB. Let me see, MRCB, Coraza, and Cresto. Okay, MRCB tested the support. Okay, if we based on what we can see here, August, the stress test level 50 cents, 495. Okay, they bounce up. Okay, tapi they need to clear the 550 level lah. Okay, Friday they do have volumes. Today a small profit taking because they already hit 550 ma. So I think the strength is still there. Okay, strength is still there. As long as they are above 525, still good. Okay, still ada chance to bounce out further. Momentum I think okay. And their next things to do is to break out above 550. Okay, once they can clear, maybe we can see 200 MAs lah. 60 cents level. Okay, so this is a MRCB, okay, rebound trade. And how about the Coraza? Okay, Coraza, actually they already hit one of my target. Okay, 60 cents. Okay, today closing price 605. So already, okay, can say they have a breakout lah. Okay, Friday still okay, volume ada, tapi closing okay only. But today close with a strong candle at resistance 60 cents. Okay, now is a 605 level. But overall, if you want, you can consider to take partial. If you don't want, you can do a trading stop. Okay, maybe around 570 lah. Stay above 570. I think they are still strong. And the next resistance is 675. Okay. So yep, still okay lah. Okay. So depending on your size and your plan lah. Okay. Above 570, I would say the momentum is still okay. But no matter how, I also need to respect a 60 cents level as my immediate resistance. Okay, even though today break 1 bit. Okay, Karaja Cresto. Okay. Okay, this one has been out for quite some times. Okay, if you look into it, it's like back in 2023, the trend already uptrend. So the whole 2024, they consider uptrend for the whole year already. Okay, now it's more on in the sideways zone. Okay, but they are still strong lah. The price is still above all moving averages. Okay, the latest is they just come back to retest the 200 MAs, then they bounce up. But so far, I would say they are still okay. And turn on the resistance of 160163. This is a Crestdo. Okay, WMG. Okay, let me see. Quite in liquid counters. But okay lah. So got chance. If you already in, okay. If you just plan to go in, no lah. Here got some rejection things. Today closing a bit rejection. So 10 on 440. Tapi yeah, based on the chart, I not really like their behavior. I would say quite volatile, these counters. Okay, MRCB covered already. We go for the net gate. Okay, net gate, new all-time high, right? Yeah, new all-time high. So based on here, what we can do is just to plan for the, oh, they are approaching 285. Let me see if June or not. This one, okay lah, boleh tahan. So take note Coraza, they are, sorry, not Coraza, Netgate, their next resistance is a 285. Yeah, 3 ringgit would be the psychology level lah. Okay, based on today's volumes, yeah, overall they are still in a good shape. If you long term, short term, mid term, yeah, overall they are still okay lah. Okay, just we don't know where is the peak yet. Okay, based on the Fibonacci, we can guess somewhere around 285 to 3 ringgit would be your resistance zone. Okay, so far I yet to see any rejection yet lah, especially today closing not too bad. Okay, Coraza we covered already. Okay, so the overall structure is still okay lah, boleh tahan. Winstar, new counters. So what we can see, they pump up, they sideways, volume diminishing, pump up 2 days, and maybe they might do another flat or pendant pattern. So this one, yeah, so long above 690, I would say they are still pretty strong lah. Okay, most likely, but this is a quite a new counters. I would say tentatively they are still okay. Okay, review again on Wednesday. Too little candle for me to do analysis, but based on recent performance, I think they are still okay. Dialogue, no strength. Okay, below 200 MAs. Friday come back. Today kena cuci. So this one we put hope on the 20 MA lah. Okay, 184, 182. Okay, we hope that this is a so-called mini double bottom. Okay, if they come back, retest, supported, still ada hope. Okay, tapi if they straight go below 182, then tak berapa cantik already. Okay, this is a dialogue. Okay, P-Trans. Okay, P-Trans, they already hit one of the target, which is a 770. Okay, was a support turn resistant. 770 was resistant. So now they are more into sideways lah. I expect they might, okay, if they break below 740, they might retest a 720 level. Okay, so yeah, at least they are above 200 MAs now lah. So maybe they will just go here, hit already, come back, sideways macam ini. Okay, still okay lah, still okay. Formosa. This one not so good lah. They have a gap down back in 21st November. Then market not really going anywhere. Okay, so Yeah, and not much volume for these counters. Okay, and this counter is below 200 mAh. So for me, I'm not so confident with them lah. Okay, if they can break above 280, maybe they might come back to fill the gap at 289. Okay. Okay, Happy New Year, Tech Seng Fong. Okay, how about Genting? Okay, Genting rebounding, tapi okay, they rebounded since 20 of or 23rd of December lah. Okay, when they found a bottom at 355, they bounce up. Tapi now they face a resistance at here, 388. Okay, now don't forget they are still very weak. Okay, so tenor on 380, stay above, still got chance to bounce up. Okay, tapi if they go below 380, not so strong lah. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Pastec. Okay, Pastec break. Correct, right? Okay, Pastec break above 190. So far, so good. Okay, the resistance 220. And so long they are above 190, I guess okay lah. Boleh tengok lah. Boleh tengok. Okay, but this is a downtrending counters. Below 190, no good already. TP for KLCC. This one is a REITs, right? Yeah, should be correct lah. But this one, so far so good lah. They are still in a good uptrending. So what I can suggest is maybe you can do some trading stop only. Okay, like okay, based on here, if you are long term, you tend on the 200 MAs. Okay, if they break below 200 MAs, you baru cabut. Okay, so which is at the moment somewhere around 255 lah. Okay, if they break below 255, no good. Okay, if you are more to mid term, maybe use a 100 MAs, 785. Okay, so yeah, so far you can see they quite like to wandering around 20 and 50 MA. So we don't want kena wash out by the short term indicator lah. Okay, I prefer use 100 or 200 MAs as our trading stop. But if speaking about recent high, is a 820. Okay, so the trend is still good. Okay, so depend lah. Maybe you need the money already. So your immediate resistance will be 820 level. Okay, let me find Harrison. Okay, Harrison memang no good lah. Okay, very ugly. This one this one downtrend dah cantik already. Okay lah, 150 is a level to take note. If they close below, I think memang very ugly. Okay, already ugly lah. Okay, if they break below, memang lagi ugly. Maybe they could go to 14 or below. So you need to set your exit plan ready. Okay, if happen, they can bounce up. Okay, take note on 161. Okay, take note on 161 on your resistance. YTL covered, YTL power. Wow, a lot Okay, LW Sabah. Okay, correct. Okay, thank you. Okay, YTL power. Yeah, one thing good about YTL power, I mean compared with YTL, okay, they already break above 200 MAs. Okay, so means 4 ringgit 420 would be your support. Okay, now they approaching another resistance 449. Okay, take note here as your resistance. Okay, so 449, or we can round out lah. I put higher lah. 455 lah. 455 was a support, then resistance. So far, so good. Okay, so long above 4 ringgit, they are still in a good shape. But if you don't want to sacrifice too much profit, you can put a 420 as your trading stop lah. Okay, above 420 is still good. Okay, this one seems like the recovery are better than YTL. Maybe they might bring the YTL up also lah. So YTL watch out on the breakout above. Hopefully they can break out above the 200 MAs. Okay, Supermax more on retracing. Okay, take note on the resistance is a 140. Today closing price is 129. So they are approaching the resistance also lah. So far nothing much to comment. I would say the overall momentum is still okay. Okay, so long they are above 118. Yeah, still okay. Just a retracement at the moment. Okay, Coraja we covered already. 60 cents hit 了。诶，可以讲中文吗 ？Okay, sorry this session is English, okay, and Mandarin one will be in recorded session, okay, in YouTube. EPB, no good, good new counters So far nothing much this one, two new already. 23rd of August the first day already wash people no good this one. First day already dumb down, sideways, continue dumb down. So I think they still okay. I mean, no game yet. Okay, maybe they want to do sideways longer, or they want to dump the price lower to collect more. Okay, probably. So nothing for this counter yet. Okay, not nice lah. Even you go in you also gonna stuck later. Cost of opportunity opportunity cost Okay, so YBS so far so good lah. Recover back above 760, 780. So yep. So long they are above 780, So long they are above 760, I would say they are still okay lah. Okay, they are still okay lah. Okay, Dayang. Yeah, let me drink some water. High volume on 3rd of January and today as well. Okay, so seems like they have a momentum maybe due to the oil price also lah. So take note also the resistance 230, 242. Okay, because they are below 200 MAs. So we can trade this as a rebound trade dulu. Samaiden. Hit target already. You can see back in these 2 days. Although it's just a touch, they touched 133 already. So, but overall structure, I would say still healthy lah, still okay. Just that they hit resistance already, so they may need some they may need some retracement, maybe down to 125 or 122 level. Solar Vest how? Okay, still okay. Yeah, even Friday closing also okay. Today more on profit taking activities. Okay, so far I would say personally I would say Solar Vest is much stronger lah. Okay, even though the movement a bit boring tapi the overall trend is much stronger. Okay, take note on the resistance 175, 180. CTOS no good yet. Okay, quite disappointing the this one you can see 2022 until now they are just in the sideways zone only now someone below 200 MAs so what they want to do you can see 2022 February until now. Okay, so next month is a 3 years anniversary already. This counter is still in a sideways. Okay, so nothing much I can comment. I would say they are still remain weak. Okay, but if you want looking for support, 110, 112. 3 run, sorry. Yeah, 3 run is a new counters, right? So what we can see here, they pump out on the first and second days, wash down, then they sideways. Okay, these 3 days they do have some pump up lah. Okay, W you can see the volume a little bit diminishing. So yeah, at least they're trying to break above 390 low. So long above 390. Yeah, I think it's still alright for this one. Okay, let me see. I need to skip some. Sorry. If you ask few counters, I maybe will choose 1 or 2 only. Okay, so highly nothing much there. This one. Okay, 100235. 235, 230. Okay, stay above. Maybe they still give you a little bit hope. Break below, then no hope already. Okay, next one is Wong we covered already. We see LBS. Okay, LBS also below 200 MAs. So based on recent volume build out, I think is still acceptable. Some more the price is above 2050 MA lah. So yeah, Friday today ada volumes, also ada breakout 560. Okay, so based on here, we expect some rebound trade lah. So long they are above 560, I think the momentum is still fine. And they have a gap here, 60 cents. 60 cents, 620 would be your R1, R2. Okay, just a rebound trade lah at the moment, what we can see. Shang rebound, approaching the resistance. Actually also, 213. Today closing 210. About there lah. Oh, yeah, now at the resistance. Okay, if they can break out, then we review again. Okay, so hopefully they can break out lah. Yeah, not sure what counters RP2 or you do a typo. Another Calorino. Oh, memang ada. Okay, new counters. No wonder I don't know. Okay, so very very new. Okay, at least they pump out. They found a support at 20 cents. Okay, 3rd and 6th of January they have some volumes lah. So most likely they might come back here or 230. Today hit already 230 and 250. Okay, if they are able to break above 230, then 250 R1 R2. Okay, JF Tech cannot anymore. Let me see. They are at their last chance. Pancit sudah. Okay, still can give them a little bit hope. Okay, a little bit hope. Okay, let me see. Okay, I want to say what. Okay, they have a volume on 13th of December, right? Pump up. But something strange happened here. Okay, this is a signal that macam ada a lot resistant here. 860. Okay, this is a so-called shooting star here lah. Okay, some more with high volumes. So after that, market gonna wash down. Okay, now because they just break out 200 MAs, right? So now come back to retest a 200 MAs. So last chance 765. Okay, today closing we can see is a maybe you can say lah, is a mini hammer. Okay, looks like a hammer. Okay, volume wise, not too bad. Okay, yeah, even though not too high volume lah, but you can say this is their last chance. Okay, so yeah, if you want, you can use today's lows, which is a 755 as your last defense. Okay, at least we can see today they're trying to press all the way down to 755. By end of day, they still managed to recover back above, recovered at 780. Okay, means some buyer trying to support here lah. Okay, tapi if the closing is, okay, if tomorrow the closing is below 755 means sudah habis lah. Okay, memang not nice already. So now this one is last chance already. Okay, hopefully they can stay above. Okay, then okay low. Okay, Kinergy we covered already. Supermax we also covered already. Peachum. Kinergy, let me see. Just what to comment. They're still okay lah. Just that no chance to retrace only. Okay, and Peachum. Okay, let me see. Okay, Supermax we covered already. Okay, Petronas Chemical. Okay, boleh kah? Tak berapa boleh. Okay, 2nd January kena rejected. Friday is still okay. Make a good recovery. Today more on neutral. So this one, okay, even though they are in the downtrending lah, tapi at least you can try. For me, not so nice. Okay, not so nice. Tapi yeah, if you want a last defense, I will put at 475. Okay, stay above, maybe still okay. Okay. Dialogue covered already. E-Win. Okay, MRCB we covered already. E-Win. Macam tipu this one. 12th of December, open gap up, high volume. Tapi they come back down to fill the gap already. Okay, so for this one, E-Win, let me see. Okay, E-Win, take note on your immediate support. 260. Sorry, 260. 255. 260 lah, 260. Okay, if they go below 260, then memang not so nice lah. Okay, so next one, MRCB we covered already. Okay, prop. Downtrend, this one, not much volumes. Okay, this one, nothing much. Okay, even the one bounce also no strength, not much volumes. Okay, they only found a support at 620 lah, tapi not so convincing. For me, the bounce, just a bounce. If they happen, they want to bounce. But no strength, and also the liquidity is very low. Okay, BM Green. Let me see, this one also not so strong. BM Green already below 20, 50 and 100 MAs. Okay, short-term, mid-term, not so strong already. So they left a long-term support to support them only lah. So which is at 158, 160. Okay, so we see whether they can stay above or not. If they break, then memang tak cantik. But now already have a signal lah, indication that they are getting weaker. Okay, the high is getting lower. And also the price is below 20, 50, 100 MA. So this indicate short-term, mid-term is getting weaker. Okay, now left a long-term support to support them only. 158, 160. Okay, next one is a Prolintas. Correct this one? No lah. Correct Malaysia punya. Okay, so this one, what you want? EP Okay, support lah, support. 960, 960, 935 is your S1, S2. Okay, so top glove. Tada! Wow. Today attempt to push up tapi kena rejected down. Okay, so we can see top glove already sideways around here for about 1 month already. Yeah, 9th of December until now. Okay, not able to break out, not able to break down. So they are trading within 131 to 142. Okay, so maybe we put 130 lah. So long above 130, they are still okay. Okay, TM. TM. Okay, TM have a breakout 650, pump to 680. Now come back to retest a support. Okay, take note 650 as your immediate support. Okay, last one. But for TM, I think it's still okay lah. They are still in the uptrend, and 650 would be their immediate support. Okay, last one is a Penta. This one already fade already. Penta Master. Okay, so you can see 200 MAs. As I mentioned before, 200 MA is a place you need to minimum take some partial profit if you do a rebound trade lah. Okay, and today they break below 398, closing price 393. For me, it's not so nice. Okay, but you can say that, this is a hammer. Okay, if hammer, tomorrow have to recover back above 398. Okay, best if tomorrow can recover back at 4 ringgit and above, then will be better for them. Then maybe they got a chance to retest loh. Tapi if they come up and go down again, they may go to 380 or even lower. Okay, so last one now, Jinlin Tech. Okay, no more adding. Okay, Jinlin Tech, as we can see, this is also breakout, sideways, breakout, jalan, and they are also approaching the resistance already. Today neutral lah. Today small profit taking activities. So for me, your 200 MAs is somewhere around here. Actually, it's quite approaching lah. If I draw like that, already hit. Okay, so I base on here and also based on the 200 MAs is somewhere around 151, 156. So no matter how, 200 MAs is a place for us to protect some profit lah. Okay, so already approaching. If you're already in, you want to do a trading stop also can. If you just yet okay, if you just plan to go in, you are too late already lah. Okay, not worth to chase. Okay, so if you want to do trading stop, 140 would be your immediate support. Okay, close below, then you take profit cabut dulu lah. Okay, so that's all for today, and our next our next sharing session is this Wednesday, 8:30 lah. Okay, so thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. And for those who yet to join my Telegram channel, you may screenshot this QR code, and later you can click to join in. I will share today's watch list lah. Those I think the structure is good one, worth to monitor punya. I will put in the Telegram. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you everyone, and see you on Wednesday 8:30. Thank you.